Hi everyone, today is another Power Query challenge. Today's challenge is about how to add a value to some number separated by commas stored as text. In short, I want to convert this data into this data. Actually, this problem is brought to me by the Dueling Excel Podcast by MrExcel and Excelisfun. MrExcel solved the problem by using VBA and formula, while Excelisfun is solving the problem with the net function and the dynamic arrays. You have to watch the video. They are super cool. They are the well-known Excel expert in the world. I learned so much from the genius guide, MrExcel and Excelisfun. So please make sure you subscribe to their channels, MrExcel channel and Excelisfun channels. You will learn a lot from them. After watching their videos, I found that they solved the problem with formula approach. I wonder if the problem can be solved by Power Query. So I tried and I want to show you how I can do it with Power Query. Let's watch it. As always, the first step is to import the data into the Power Query editor. So I have to select the data and then go to the Data tab, select from Table Range. My table has headers, okay. Now I have the Power Query editor with the data loaded into it. Normally there will be the change type steps that is automatically generated. However, it is changing my original data into number like this, which is something that I don't need, I don't want it. So I'm going to remove these steps. Now I have my original data coming back. See? Okay, the next step is go to the Add column. I want to add an index column. Let's do it starting from 1. Then I want to split all the data. So I select the data column, go to Transform tab, split column by delimiter. The delimiter is comma. I want to split it at each occurrence. Open the advanced options, select rows. Okay. Cool. We have all the numbers separated into different rows with the corresponding value to be added. So the next step is by holding the Control key, I can select both columns. While both columns are selected, go to the Add column, Standard, Add. Now I have a new column called Additions, and this is the value that I need. The next step is I want to combine all of them with the same index with comma as the delimiter. To do that, I need to convert this number into text. So I change the data type of addition to text. Next step, let me select the index column first. Go to Transform, Group By. What I do want to group by is actually I want to group by the index column. How I want to group them is I want to group all the rows into the table like this. So now I have 12 tables. In each table, you will see that I have 4 columns. Actually, what I want is only the addition columns. So the next step is I want to convert this table. Indeed, I want only the addition column from this table. I'm going to go to Add column, Custom column. The function I need is select column. So while I type select, I see many functions that carry the word select, and table.select columns is the one that I need. Double click on it, open parenthesis, select count here because under the count column, I have all the tables that I want. And the column I need is addition. Please be careful on the spelling. And remember, Power Query is case sensitive. Okay, there we go. We have a table with just the column additions. So the next step is to convert this table into a list. Go to the Add Column, add another custom column. So the function I need is to list. So I input to list. And the IntelliSense show me all the function that is about to list. So what I need is table.toList. Open parenthesis, select this custom column because this hold all the tables that I want to convert. Close parenthesis. Okay. Now I have a list of values. I'm ready to combine them. Before that, I want to get rid of all the other columns. So I right-click on this cost month. Okay. Remove other columns. Maybe I give it a better name. So I rename the column by double-clicking it. Name it as output. So what I'm going to do next is simply click this expand icon, extract the values, select the delimiter, which is comma. Okay. Dun 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 dun. It is almost done. So final step, go to the Home tab, close and load 2. I want to load it to the existing worksheet. I want to have the output being loaded here. Okay. As simple as that, this is done. Same problem solved with Power Query. Hope you like it.